A computer is a smart machine. It is an electronic machine that helps us to do many things. We can use it to play games, watch videos, listen to music, chat online, study online, and even draw pictures. But most importantly, computers help us to learn and work faster. It is a super helper that never gets tired. Now we are going to learn the basic parts of a computer. CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse. A computer works on the principle of input, process, output. The data which we give to the computer is called input. Like here you can see a child typing some text through keyboard. This is your input. Then you can see action being performed on your input. It is called processing. And last, you see that the text hello world is displayed on the screen. This is your output. Now we learn how to switch on our computer. First step, switch on the main power. Second, switch on your UPS. Switch on the CPU. Switch on the monitor. Remember, the process of switching on computer is called booting. Steps to switch off computer. Click on Start Shutdown. Switch off the monitor. Switch off the UPS. Switch off the main power. The shortcut key to shut down your computer is Alt plus F4. Now we'll study in detail the parts of a computer: keyboard, mouse, monitor, and CPU. Coming to keyboard. It was invented by Christopher Sholes and it looks like a typewriter. It is an input device. That means you give your data to the computer using keyboard. It is used to type your numbers and letters. You can also give instructions and commands to the computer using keyboard. A standard computer keyboard has 104 or more keys. The computer keys in a keyboard can be classified as alphabet keys A to Z, number keys 0 to 9, and special keys, your enter key, caps lock key, alt key, and many more. The next part is mouse. Mouse was invented by Douglas Engelbart. It is also an input device. It is used to point on the computer screen. So it is also known as pointing device. A mouse has three buttons: the left mouse button, the right mouse button, and the scroll button. A mouse is used to select items, drag items, and to draw pictures. The use of mouse is that now you do not have to remember all the commands. It reduces the task of remembering and typing your commands. You can simply click and perform the operation. Coming to monitor, it is an output device. It looks like a TV screen. It has an on-off button. It is also known as visual display unit. It displays whatever you type or you draw. CPU, it stands for Central Processing Unit. It is called the brain of computer. It has two buttons, on-off button and restart button. It helps a computer to process and perform various operations. It also stores your data and information.